Hi everyone, good evening. Let's start our Nifty analysis video, post-market analysis video. So yesterday we told you that Nifty has touched its important resistance of 14,980, and if Nifty will sustain above this zone of 14,980, then we could see a further rally till 15,320 levels. Today Nifty failed to cross the zone, and Nifty, we could clearly see that Nifty was in pressure since morning and it was in the negative structure after that, right? So let's see what could be the possibilities in days to come. So if we see the Nifty chart and if we analyze that, then we can clearly see that Nifty is around the long term support which is placing somewhere around 14,000 here. This zone, if we can see here, this is 14,500, so I should write this level of 14,500 levels. निफ्टी जब तक इस जोन के ऊपर सस्टेन कर रहा है तब तक निफ्टी में वी कुड एक्सपेक्ट द मूवमेंट लाइक दिस वे हियर एंड देन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग हियर. लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि इफ वी चेक द डेली स्ट्रक्चर, देन डेली स्ट्रक्चर इज नेगेटिव एज ऑफ नाउ, एंड इफ इट विल सस्टेन लाइक दिस, देन वी कुड हैव चांस कि यहाँ पे एक हमें ब्रेकडाउन देखने के लिए मिले. एंड अगर सेम एंड पे हम लोग बात करेंगे निफ्टी के आर्ली चार्ट की, सो इफ आई पुट आर्ली चार्ट हियर, then we could clearly see let me clear this all. So we can clearly see कि निफ्टी का इस वक्त आर्ली जो स्ट्रक्चर है that is positive right. Let me draw this positive structure here. So this structure is positive as of now. So what we can expect simple thing, that daily structure is negative, hourly structure is positive. So if Nifty will open below this point on Monday, right, so this point is 14,790, then we can see further downfall in Nifty on Monday, and this could continue till 14,500 and 14,500 and 2030 levels. Correct. So this is what we can expect on Monday. But if Nifty will sustain and Nifty will hold this level, and Nifty will not cross the 14,790 levels on the downside, then what we can expect? We can expect Nifty to react in the same way like this one, and Nifty will continue its this positive trend. Nifty will continue its positive trend, positive structure like this and this, and in that case we can expect Nifty to touch the level of 15,300 levels to 15,320, right? So we have two possibilities on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, whether if Nifty will we have two possibilities. What is that? If Nifty will sustain, just hold on, if Nifty will sustain below 14,470, then for 14,780, then we are going to see the downfall till 14,500, till this level. And if Nifty will sustain above the level of 14,960, 980, then we are going to see the level of 15,380. So as of now, 15 minutes structure is negative. So this structure is negative. That means this is the important level of 14,780, and we can see here if this level is hold on Monday, this zone of 780 and 760, and then we can see the positive structure again, but below this it is going to fall like anything, and we can see a more 200 downfall things. But if we take the whole case scenario, then in this scenario, if we take daily chart, so here what we can expect, guys, if I clear this for you, so what we can expect, guys, ये जो सिंपल सा मैंने आपको थ्योरी यहाँ पे बताया था सॉरी, कि निफ्टी में अगर डेली का चार्ट आप देखेंगे, देन डेली का चार्ट इज already in a negative structure like this one, and if it will cross this, then this is our make or break level. So remember, make or break levels अगर ये लेवल्स निफ्टी में होल्ड नहीं होते हैं और निफ्टी यहाँ से नीचे डाउनसाइड मूव करता है लाइक दिस वन व्हाट आई एम शोइंग यू हियर, then of course we are going to see negative till 13,800 to 13,750 zone. दिस इज द जोन जहाँ पे निफ्टी रिएक्ट कर सकता है। उसके लिए आपका 14,500, 14,500 एंड 14,440 के नीचे, 14,440 के नीचे निफ्टी का सस्टेन करना इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो गाइज दिस वाज द स्मॉल एनालिसिस ऑन निफ्टी। Just remember all these levels for Monday and for the next week, and definitely you will get to, and definitely you will make some profit. So guys, be safe and keep a good health. Thank you. Bye.